I am Thomas Langl, a specialist consultant in the field service of MC Bolchemy in the area of repairs and coatings, and I have been doing this for 9.5 years now. The task here was to rework a functioning old coating due to the lack of slip resistance. And that's what we did with our 1322 OS8 system. This is a two-component epoxy material, epoxy resin. The most important factors when mixing are, of course, the mixing times and the mixing tool. Traditional mortar mixers are very unsuitable for this because they always pull the material from the top down, which of course draws a lot of air into the material. And then the coating, when it is on the floor, can get blow-ups after a while when it reacts. In other words, the air goes out, pops up, and then I might have small holes in it or something. It looks like crater holes. You have to deaerate quite a lot with spiked rollers. And if I have a decent stirring tool, then I don't bring so much air into the bucket. Mixing speeds are of course important. You should always work with slow-running mixers, around 300 revolutions, and a mixing time of at least 3 minutes. The worker, if he is mixing the resin and has to mix for 3 minutes, that's really long, and very few people do that. That's why we have stopwatches, but if the mixer had a stopwatch in the display, that would be ideal. And if the mixer could set the speed, that would be a perfect device.